UmaMusume is the best anime that will make a man cry, and today, me and other clone-chan will help you understand why. There's the anime where horse girls run faster than your internet speed, win races and somehow make grown men cry. Yeah, I'm talking about UmaMusume Pretty Derby, a show that shouldn't hit that hard emotionally, but somehow does. On paper, UmaMusume sounds like a fever dream, like someone just said, "What if a real racehorse were reincarnated as anime girls who run and sing?" That's not a joke, that's literally a premise of the anime. It sounds insane, but somehow it works, because behind the memes, the idol songs, and let's be honest, their very attractive appearance, there's something powerful, a story about legacy and dreams, inspired by real legendary Japanese racehorses. Every episode feels like a punch straight to the heart. You start laughing at the silly concept and then suddenly, boom! They hit you with a story about failure, redemption, and running until your legs give up. These horse girls are not just cute, they represent real horse, ones that lived, ran, and sometimes died chasing glory. But why does it hit that hard? Why does we cry over horse girls? The anime is not about winning, it's about trying again after losing everything. When you see a girl who was once silly and carefree starts running like her life depends on it, try her hardest, but still fails, it reminds us of our own failures. These moments we give everything but still was not enough. And yet UmaMusume tell us, get up and run. Of course, it's not all about tears. Characters like Gold Ship turned the show into a meme heaven. And then there is Matikane Town Hunter, how I should say her name. Okay, let's call it Mambo. Her memes is everywhere on TikTok, YouTube, and even on Reddit. Memes made UmaMusume go viral this year, and for good reason. It's rare to see something that's both memorable and meaningful. UmaMusume is not really about horse, it's about humans chasing dreams, failing and standing up again. It's about lifting the giant rock called life. That's why it makes a person cry, because deep down, every person watching this anime remembers the dreams they give up on, and this anime makes you want to chase it again, no matter how painful it might be. You are not just watching cute anime girls trying their best, you are watching the spirit of real horse who broke their legs, healed and ran again. UmaMusume is a reminder that we too can get up and chase our dreams again, just like they do. Thank you for watching. I worked really hard on this video, so please like, comment and share. In the next videos I want to make a lot of improvement, so your likes and comments always motivate me. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Okay, see you in the next video.